Fire officials say a working smoke detector would have likely given the Hogan family enough time to escape. Fire broke out at this farmhouse in Lisbon Falls 2 weeks ago. 2 sisters were killed. The fire marshal said there was one smoke detector in the home, but the battery was missing. Now the Lisbon Fire Department is doing all that it can to prevent another tragedy from striking. News 8's Jim Keithley joins us now with more. Jim?
Tracy, through a federal grant, firefighters are buying smoke detectors, and beginning in April, they're going door to door to inspect as many homes as they can, and they're giving away free smoke detectors to all those families that need them.
No, there's just no way to get to them. There's just too much fire, too much smoke. There's just nothing we could do.
Steve Yanko and others tried to save 11-year-old Natalie Hogan and her 6-year-old sister Kelsey, both trapped in a second-floor bedroom when fire broke out in the early morning hours of March 4th. 4 siblings and the children's mother were able to escape. The fire marshal said later that day the cause was accidental. The father had used a blowtorch the night before to thaw some pipes in the bathroom next to the girl's bedroom. Investigators say the only smoke detector in the entire home had a missing battery.
Offered to replace non-working smoke alarms with new ones.
The fire chief says his crew won't rest until every house is inspected and every family that needs a smoke detector gets one.
Let's not go to another house where something as tragic as what happens again. And this is our way of making it better.
$500.
Today, Safe Kids Maine presented a check for $500 to the fire department, the money coming from a grant from Safe Kids USA. At the local hardware store today, the manager says since the deadly fire, they've had a run on smoke detectors. Safe Kids Maine says there are startling statistics out there. A survey found that 1 in 5 homes had smoke detectors that were useless.
National studies have shown that a large proportion of the families who thought they had a working smoke detector in their home actually, upon inspection, found out they did not. Either the smoke alarm was over 10 years old, or the battery was dead, or it was missing, or not working at all. So that's an important figure to keep in mind as we develop this project.
Now, there are 4,300 homes in the small town of Lisbon, and the fire chief, as you heard, says that he and his firefighters are committed to making sure they inspect each and every one of them beginning on April 11th. Live in the studio, Jim Keithley, News 8.